the physical destruction is massive. It's encouraging, however, to see the way that some people, residents, are finding quick solutions to respond to the situation themselves, but they need support. There is an urgent need for critical life-saving supplies, food, water, sanitary hygiene packs. The UN has deployed emergency medical teams in government infrastructure to meet trauma needs and respond urgently to people.